So today I'm unboxing a vintage Masters of the Universe Evil-Lyn. Should be 1982, 1983 on the stamp. £10, buy it now off eBay including postage and packaging. So let's see what we've got. Robust packaging in a box, that's quite good. There's some bubble wrap, and yeah, there's Evil-Lyn 1982. Let's see if I can see. Now this is weird. Can you see the stamp? Is it on her head? I don't know. I'm quite happy with that. She's a bit worn about the thighs, but then again, women who are in their 40s usually are. Ha 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 ha. Nice. Cool.